Step 1. Attach masking tape as a margin. Step 2. Put blue color. We take a blue color and put it from the upper side to the lower side horizontally. After coloring, we must apply masking tape to fill the empty space. Step 3. Make the out figure of fish. Then we draw a fish structure with yellow color in the middle of our drawing paper. The fish will have 2 fins and a long tail. And we also make a mouth and face for the fish. Step 4. Color the fish. First, we color the belly of the fish. The color of the belly of the fish will be yellow. Then we make fish scales with brown color. Then we color the tail of the fish. The tail of the fish will be blue. And the color of the fins will be pink. At the last, we color the face red. When we paint the face of a fish, we keep its eyes and face empty. We will not paint there. Step 5. Make underwater background. We color the eye of the fish. Seeing the fish's eyes, it would seem that the fish is looking forward. Look, our underwater fish drawings are almost complete. Now we start to make the background underwater. Take a yellow color and draw a tree around the fish like the picture above, then paint it green.